So let's start with 5th standard environmental studies. Students, today we are going to see a new chapter, chapter number 19, a seed tells a farmer's story. So there is one seed, children, and that seed is telling its story. So let's see what seed is telling. I am a small seed. I am a small bajra seed. Means bajra seed is telling its story. I have stayed in this beautiful wooden box since 1940. I want to tell you my story. This is a long story but not mine alone. It is also the story of my farmer Damji Bhai and his family. If I do not tell my story now, it might be too late. So what seed is telling, children? Now we will see. I was born in Vangam in Gujarat. That year there was a good bajra, means millet crop. There was a festive mood in the village, means as the crop production was good, so that's why the villagers were very happy. They were in festive mood. Our area was famous for its grains and vegetables. Each year Damji Bhai kept aside some seeds from a good crop. This way our bajra family went on from one generation to another. Good seeds were stored in dried gourd or lauki, which was coated with mud. So in this way, students, their farmers were preserving the seeds. And next year they were using the same seeds, whichever they preserved. But that year Damji Bhai himself made a strong wooden box to store us. You can see it in the picture. He put in neem leaves. You can see the neem leaves also in the picture, to protect us from insects. He put different seeds in different compartments of the box. That was our beautiful home. In those days, Damji Bhai and his cousins lived together. It was a large family. Everyone in the village helped each other, even in farming, when the crop was ready and harvested. Everyone celebrated together. Oh, those wonderful days, with big feast and lots to eat. In the winter, it would be time to enjoy the undia. Now what is meant by undia? It is a kind of stew. All the vegetables were put into a clay pot. In this way they used to cook that dish. All the vegetables were put into clay pot along with fresh spices. The pot was sealed and kept between hot coals. The pot was sealed and it was kept in between hot coals. The vegetables cooked slowly in the special cooker on the fields. In this way, children, they used to cook that dish. Now after that, what seed is telling, we will see now. Oh, I forgot. The pot was placed upside down. That is why the dish was called undhiya or upside down in Gujarati. Means the meaning undhiya means upside down. Why the name was like that? Because that pot was placed upside down. Undhiya would be eaten with bajra rotis, freshly cooked on the chulha. Oh, what an earthy, delicious flavor. Along with that, homemade butter, curd and buttermilk was served. Farmers would grow many different kinds of crops, grains and vegetables according to the season. The farmers kept enough for their needs and sold rest to shopkeepers from the city. Some farmers also grew cotton at home. Family members spun cotton on a charkha. What is charkha? That is a spinning wheel. You might have seen Gandhiji was used to do with that. So on charkha wheel to make a cloth. Now after, children, when time changed. Over the years, many changes took place in the village. Some places could get water from the canals. They said the canals brought water from far away, where a dam had been built on a big river. Then electricity came. Switch on the button and there was light. People found that only one or two crops like wheat and cotton got better prices in the market. Means wheat and cotton crops were getting more price. So most farmers began to grow only this. Soon we, old friends, bajra and jowar, and also vegetables were forgotten and dismissed, even from Damji Bhai's fields. Farmers even began to buy seeds from the market. Now they were not using that preserved seeds. They were taking it from the market. People said they were new kinds of seeds. So farmers did not need to store seeds from the old crop. Now people in the village cooked and ate together only on very special days. As they ate, they would remember how tasty the food used to be in the past, fresh from the fields. When the seeds have changed, how could food ever taste the same? As the seeds also change. Now they farmers were purchasing from the market, so the taste also changed. Damji Bhai was getting old. His son Hasmukh looked after the fields and the family. Hasmukh was making a lot of money from farming. He rebuilt the old house. He brought new machines for farming. He used an electric motor to pump water. He bought a motorcycle to go to the city easily and also tractor to plough the field. The tractor could do in a day what the bullocks would that take many days to do. As the time changed, Hasmukh also brought many changes in his life. Hasmukh would say, now we are farming wisely. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. With the profit from our fields, we can improve our life. We can make progress. Lying forgotten in the wooden box, I and the other seeds had our doubts. Means that Bajra seed is asking one doubt. Means all seeds, is all this really progress? There is no longer any need for seeds like us and animals like the bullocks. After the tractor has come, even people who worked on the fields are no longer needed. How will they earn money? What will they live on? So in this way, that Bajra seeds are asking that question. So here in this video, children, we have seen about Bajra seed, how farmers used to preserve it in earlier time. After that, as the time changed, we have seen that how Hasmukh brought new changes in his life and farming as well as in seeds. So in this way, children, we have seen about how Bajra seed is telling a story about Damji Bhai. After that, how Hasmukh Bhai has changed the things in the farming as well as he was purchasing it from the market. So up till this, we will see this topic, children. Thank you for watching video. Read lesson very carefully. Find out hard words meanings. Thank you for watching video.